Hello students, today you will learn about mode formula. Mode formula returns the frequent occurring or repetitive value in a range of data or a data set. So in order to find a mode of these values, first of all type is equal to sign, then type mode. Now select this data set or this range of data, bracket close and hit enter. The mode for this range of data or a data set is 20 because the 20 value is repeating value in this range of data. So the mode formula returns the value, or the mode formula returns the repetitive value in a range of cells or in a data set. So these are range of cells, or these are a this is a data set, or this is a range of cells. So in this range of cell or in this data set, 20 number is repeating. So the repetitive number is 20. Now let's find out the mode of this second row. First of all, enter is equal to sign, then type mode. Select this range of data or a data set. Now enter bracket close, hit enter. The answer for this range of cell or data set is 10 because the 10 number is repeating in this range of data or data set. So the mode formula returns the repetitive number in a range of data. So this is a range of data, or you can say this is a data set. So the 10 number is repeating. The 10 number is repeating. The answer is 10. So let's find out the other rows. So just drag it down to save your time. Sorry. In order to find the mode of this range of cell, type mode, then bracket close, select this data set or range of cells, bracket close and hit enter. Wait, because the answer is NA, because in this range of cell there is no repeating number. In this range of cell there is no repeating number. 50 is unique number, 40, 50, 40, 60, 70, 80 and 89 are unique numbers. In this range of cells or in this data set, there is no repetitive number. The numbers are not repeating in this data set. So that's why the answer is NA. Now let's find out the mode of these numbers. First of all, type mode, MODE mode. Select this range of cell or data set, bracket close and hit enter. The answer of this range of cell is 60 because 60 number is repeating in this range of cells or in this data set or in this row. 60 number is repeating. So the mode function returns a most frequent occurring or repetitive value in a data set, or we can say range of data. Thanks for watching.